everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe. If you're new here, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe and stick around, join the family, because I would love to have you here. Today, I'm going to be doing a self-care vlog. I felt like, you know what? We're on quarantine. There's so many things that I never get to do just with my face and nails and everything. I want to do a whole video on it. I will insert a clip of how I did my nails. I did my own dip gel and I'm pretty proud of myself. They're definitely not perfect, but they're better than nothing. And then I'm also going to right now go take a shower because I filmed a little 5-minute makeup thing today, which was so fun, which is already up. So go check that video out too if you want. But I'm going to wash my hair because I need to wash it, whole body shower. And then I'm going to do a face mask. I'm going to do my own fake eyelashes. Okay, I saw a video on it and I kind of wanted to try it. Thought I would show you guys, see if it works. And if you guys usually have fake eyelashes and can't during this time, go get them. Then maybe it's an easy solution to have them. I don't know. I know I don't need fake eyelashes, but I just think it would be a fun thing to try out. I'm going to take a shower and insert the clip right now of how I did my nails. Woo! Okay, so here are all the nail supplies. This is the dip gel that I'm using. It is the ASP Quick Dip Dusty Rose color. I also got the clear, and then these are all the coats for it. I cut up some foil to put on my nail polish I have now. We have some nail polish remover. Then right here, I just have this cuticle thing. I have a nail file and then these brushes to perfect my dip gel, then another file, and I'm going to start on them. So this is what they look like. Super cute.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, now that I've dipped them all, I'm gonna go file them down, like file over the top, and then I will put the last coat on. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've filed them. I'm actually really proud of myself. And I'm going to put the gel activator on now, which is the last step, and then they'll be done! Yay! I'm so happy that my nails are finally done because it's taken about 10 hours to just get the normal nails that I had off because the lady really put them on there. But I'm glad that I was actually able to do it on both hands by myself. Back to the regular program. I am fresh out of the shower. After I got out of the shower, I put on this Johnson's baby lotion because I don't have my other lotion. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm not going to, I just did. And then right now I'm going to put this Matrix Total Results Length Goals. It is a detangler in my hair. I'm going to put it at the ends. Actually, no. I'm going to spray it in my hand and then put it in my ends because spraying it on there does not seem like the best idea. So I'm just going to put that in here. I'm going to use the Dyson blow dryer that I have to just blow dry most of my hair. Then I'm going to use this Revlon brush dryer thing to style my hair so it doesn't look all crazy. I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna do a face mask, some eyelashes, all the fun things. Hello everybody, my hair is now all blow dried and ready. It takes me like 30-ish, 40 minutes to do my hair now. because of my hair extensions. But I had time and I put a mask on my hair and it was just a good time in the shower. I'm going to put my hair back and now I'm going to do a face mask. This is the Milk Moisturizing Lactose Sheet Mask. My mom got this from Costco and I wanted to try it. We love face masks. Ooh, look at that. It's a milk. It says milk on it. The inside is all milky. Interesting smell. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands, you know, good 20-second wash. I like to sing Oops, I Did It Again while I do it. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in the game. Ooh, baby, I'm not innocent. Oh, not a good idea. I'm gonna leave this on my face for 20 minutes and then I'll be back to you and let you know my thoughts. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I made a beautiful TikTok with my face mask, which I'll insert right here for your own entertainment. Right now, I am going to take this off because I think it's been 10 minutes. Then wash my face, and then we're going to do some eyelashes. I'm using these Ardell Professional Lashes. They are their Naked Lash collection. And I felt like they looked really pretty and nice for what I wanted. And what I wanted to do with my lashes, I am going to basically take the lashes right here and then take these scissors and cut them into pieces if they were already individual lashes, and that's what I'm going to do right now. This is the eyelash glue I'm going to use. It's the Duo Glue, and I'm going to take on a piece of paper. I'm just going to put it on there so while I'm cutting the lashes that this gets sticky. I zoomed you in so you can see. Oh, it zooms even more. So this is what my eyelashes look like now. Okay, you see what that look like? I think this is just fun. I don't know. I'm going to take this makeup remover on a little Q-tip and make sure that my eyelashes are clean before I do this so there's nothing on them. I have these lashes. I don't know if you can see. I have all these lashes cut up right here, and I'm going to take tweezers. See, I took one little lash, my bobber. I'm going to take a mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. A lot of people put it on the underneath of their lash. If I can't do that, I'm just going to put it on the top because I really don't have that much confidence in myself that I can do it on my underlash, because I've tried to do my eyelashes that way before because my best friend does her eyelashes that way, but that has not worked out for me. I took the little guy. This one done. I'm going to try to do this one, and depending how well the footage looks, I'll show you or not. Honestly, this is kind of really hard to do, but I think it's going well so far. I'm going to wait for them to dry and I'll show you the finished product of what my eyelashes look so you guys can see what I did. Also, little disclaimer, I'm not an eyelash person. I have no clue what I'm doing. So if you try this and it doesn't work, please don't get mad at me because I seriously don't know what I'm doing. I just thought this would be fun and a cool thing to try out to see if it actually works, because maybe I'll want to do it because it's not that expensive. And also, I only used one lash, so I still have one lash left over and a couple extra. So if this does work out, it would be a really nice way to kind of make my eyelashes look good all the time and not have to worry about mascara sometimes. Just a fun thing I wanted to see if it worked, and I hope that it does. Hello everyone, it has been a full night with my eyelashes on, and I wanted to give you an update, show you what they look like. I actually really like them and they've stayed on really well. I didn't have any fallout while I was sleeping, which I was really shocked. So this is what they look like. My mom didn't even notice I had them on. I think she kind of didn't realize that I did that. And I know I told her, but she was like, oh, you did it last night? And I was like, yeah. So that was awesome that they look pretty natural and they just accentuate the eyes, make them look a little bit poppier in my opinion. But I wanted to come on here, show you what they looked like with a full night's sleep. Hopefully they will stay on. I do want to do a more in-depth video if you guys are really interested about how I did it, have my mom help me and film a totally different video all just about my eyelashes in general. So let me know down below in the comments if that's something you would like to see. But I really hope that you enjoyed this self-care video, watching me do my mask, my hair, and all the fun things that I did. And I hope that if you did enjoy this video that you would subscribe. Also, don't forget to like and comment down below any other videos you would like to see me do. And I hope that wherever you are, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, that you have or had an amazing day. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!